Bumper. To remove the bumper, you need to do as the following steps. Turn over the robot. Unscrew the 6 screws on the bottom rod. Take off the bottom rod. Turn over the robot. Hold one end of the bumper and take off the bumper connection wire and connector. Then the bumper could be removed. How to install back? Connect the bumper connection wire and the connector. Install the bumper and make sure it springs back well. Turn over the robot. Install the bottom rod. Screw the 6 screws. Finally, check off the installation work. Press gently on the 2 ends of bumper. If the bumper could spring back easily, then the bumper is installed successfully.